Yes, finally, the D section. SCPT 10 plus SCPT 25 plus SCPT 50 plus SCPT 85 plus SCPT 100 plus SCP 125 plus SCPT 150 plus SCPT 183 plus SCPT 200 plus SCPT 200 plus prime. Wait a second. Um. 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 D1, D2. Sorry, I forgot. SCPT 225 plus SCPT 250 plus EF1, EF2, SCPT 275 plus SCP 300 plus SCPT 325 plus SCPT 350 plus SCPT T375 plus SCPT 400 plus SCPT 425 plus SCPT 450 plus SCPT T475 plus SCPT 500 plus. Um, okay, let's come up with the names. Nostalgia, rock, Rock, half and sometimes no table. Big chomp.
I don't want to repeat. I told you. Akan, I'm going to the gym. Join.
Table dislocator, splitting chaser, the couple, Julia, 15, breath up, the aim, to do it. Um, um, Okay. Mm. This one is Ira. This one is Ruinare. 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 Um. Hide and seek. Oh yeah, this one is. This one is. This one is times 2. Sorry. Um. Epic. Epic. Troll. Um. Then. First aid. Classic chaser. Laserness. Fast spawner. What are you doing here? Yeah, it's not the entity of this guy. Similar to Rural Detailed. Um, never mind. Not really. Hidden face. Uh, Julian's twin brother, which is a jump accident. It isn't his true name. His actual true name is. Hi. His name is. His name is. The Screecher, which is like 8275. Which he's the fastest entity, and you can hear him from the farthest away. This one, this one is actually okay. I have no ideas for names for him. Lagger, I mean, opposite Julian. Opposite Julian! His name is Opposite Julian? Sorry? This guy is the spinner. I'm trying to find my shoes and I'm also making a video.
You have your time after gym when you can play tablet. You can make video all this time. You need to structure it. Make it structured.
This one, the blinder. This one, cultist. This one, Santanas. Wait, what did I say? Yeah, history. Yeah, he is called Santanas. Okay, this entity is like G26. Okay, now let's turn to the mechanics. This one is like G26. So detailed. This one is similar to U36. I mean U10 from Interminable Rooms. This one has a chance of checking tables, or he will leave you. This one I can make it. This one is the entity that chases you around the room. Matters, SCP-8215 Plus from the A section of this game. This one definitely checks tables. This one, he's the hardest boss in the game. He chases you around. He chases you, but he's 10 times faster than SCP-A125 from the A section, and also splits apart. But there are also two parts. First one, the ground, the second one, the Still Watcher's room. These guys will turn into coupled are the entities that are similar to E387. So Julian checks gray lockers, Julian checks blue lockers. This entity right here is like a black hole. He appears in the top of the room, and you have a bit of time to pass through the room before it's too late. This entity acts like A221 from Interminable Rooms. This one the same as the last entity, but 10 times faster. This entity, he will... Wait, what did I name him again? Oh, how about I'm naming the bouncer? because his mechanic is now gonna be, he's gonna bounce, he rushes through the room while bouncing. He's gonna stay in the room while bouncing, and if he approaches a hiding spot, he will die. He's actually one of the most dangerous entities in the game. And if one of the hiding spots shines blue, this is the hiding spot he will jump on. So don't hide in it. This entity right here, this entity is completely like a 1,100 from rooms fixed expanded, but it continues to be a loop and it's much faster. This one, he heals you. This one, he is like B9 from Delusional Office. This entity, let me think. How about I rename him the Redder? How about you? Okay, how about this entity? Well, being an entity that will be in a room that will act like the recoded, and that will act like the recoded rooms and the recorded version of E144. As this entity appears in the middle of the room, but then he rushes backwards, but then he rushes through, and then he's gonna rebound one time, then disappear. This entity spawns entities really fast. This entity right here is a boss. We should pass through a room. Well, you should pass through a really big room, as his face is gonna turn your screen gray. He's gonna walk around the room, and as he's close to you, the screen is gonna get grayer. This entity right here, this entity right here acts like B400 from Room Fixed Expanded. This entity spins! I don't know what is a mechanical force spinners though. This one blinds the entire. This entity acts like EN10 from Delusional Office. And this entity right here spawns entities from other sections, like the A section and the A section. This entity is the final one. As I will plan for him, will spawn many entities from different sections, even bosses, and this entity, might also kill you actually this entity is gonna act like SCP-275 from the last thing we talked about. And this entity, he's gonna spawn faster and much worse. He's gonna stand in the middle of the room That's when you start with that boss fight, and he's gonna spawn random entities, and you will have to avoid them with the instructions. He's gonna spawn multiple entities at once, and he's gonna do that 55 times. Okay, that's enough of it. Bye. Get ready for the H section soon, okay? Okay.